Welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make your flyer, your advert flyer, business flyer, any flyer you want to make. You don't need to go pay anyone to do it for you. I'm going to put you through today, step by step, how you can do your flyer. Let's go. Let's do a flyer, a business flyer or advert flyer. All right, open Canva, go to flyer. Okay, now today we are doing a ticketing flyer, like travel agency kind of flyer. All right, now this is the template, so either you choose any of them and make it your own by editing it, or you start from the scratch. But right now I want to start from the scratch. Let's do this one. All right, then you click to remove everything here, remove everything. Right, it's blank now, right? Then you move over to elements. Okay, since we are doing something concerning airplane, right, traveling, so we try to use a picture that would be okay. We type sky, you click. All right, now photo. Okay, now the template we are doing is vertical, so we go to orientation and put it vertical. All right, so that it will line up. So now you choose, let's choose this particular one. Okay, then you stretch it, stretch. All right, good. Now we go back to elements again, look for airplane. Okay, airplane, good. Now we put it on photo. Okay, so now look for a better airplane that will be all right. Okay, let's use this one. Right now we have to BG it to remove the background to make it more good. You see the BG remover, click BG. Now perfect. Now BG have removed it, so you click, you get it up here. Okay, perfect. Now the name of the agency we can use, let's use John Travels, right? You click text box. Okay, John Travels. Good. Now you stretch, make it bigger. Now this font is not cool. All right, we'll find a better font. You go to font. All right, get up here. Good. Now this font is black. The black is not going to be okay with this, right? So we have to change the color. So now let's try. I'm gonna make it have two colors. Okay, at least you can learn how to make a particular line of words, give them different colors, right? I select this particular travels and I come here, then I look for a better, let's say this one, right? Good. Then we go to John. We go to John. We select John, make it again white. Perfect. Okay, you see how beautiful it is now? Yeah, good. Now since it's about agency, right, traveling agency, right, people traveling, ticketing and all that, so we go to element and look for people traveling. We type people traveling. All right, good. Photo. Again, we can move to, let's look for something better, something that would be okay for, okay, which one are we going to use now? All right, let me just use a new one for this particular tutorial sake. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, we'll try this one. Now you BG it, all right, to remove the background. Good. Now we remove it. Now we can bring it down here, and if you want, you can make it bigger. If you want, you can make it smaller, whatever you want. But for this particular tutorial, we'll make it like this. I keep it here. Okay, now good. Now you can put another text here. We can put another text here, like, okay, book with us now, something like that. Okay, so we type book with us now. But we have to change this font and we have to make it bigger. Okay, bigger. They change the font to another thing so that it will be more okay. We look for another font. Let's say we try this font. Okay, all right, good. Now we change it to capital letter. Okay, capital letter. If you want to change the capital letter, you scroll down here, you see B format. All right, you see here, yeah, you can make it bold, right? But we are not doing bold. Remove it so it looks so nice. Okay, now you make it a little bit smaller, then you put it here. Okay, now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to do more because of time. I don't want this video to be longer. So if you want to do, you can put your contacts and everything here, right? Make it more beautiful. Put your other things you want to put here, but with things I've shown, you can go through it and put other things you need to put here. All right, so now let's download this and see how it looks. All right, it's downloading. Let's see how it looks. Okay, all right, good. Downloaded already. On my gallery, you see how nice it looks. So beautiful. Perfect. Follow us and subscribe to our channel for more tips, more tutorials. Thank you.